Assalamualaikum everyone. I myself Sumaira Shoma and my teammate Asnaba Sharin have made a project for CSC 2211 database management system. Our project name is Bootshop. Bootshop is a convocation hall booking system and easy to use website that helps people book and plan different type of events like wedding, birthday, seminar, etc. The user can choose hall, select food, make payment all throughout using one platform. Let's overview the project. So it is our landing page. So in the landing page, we have two sections, login and sign up. So if a user hasn't any kind of hasn't created any account, so he will just first go to the sign up section. Since I have already created account, I'm just going to the login section. So in the login section, first I'm just going to the necessary information like my password. First, I am just going to log in as client. And it is our client landing page. So in our the client landing page, we have different sections like booking, rate, explore, etc. So first visit the explore section. So in the explore section, first of all, we are just going to see all the halls that the system is providing to us. And in the search bar, if I just write Grand Park. So it will show me the desired hall with the necessary information like that where the hall is located, what is the capacity and what is the availability date and like what is the cost of this hall. Okay. And besides that, we have different type of filter section and so that the user can choose according to their preference. So if the we just minimize the capacity section, so we are just going to see all the halls that is in that range, like minimum is to 1,200 and maximum is 3,302. So we are just going to see all the halls that is in that range. Okay. So besides that, if we can also filter based on our cost section, like it is our my cost section range, and now we are just going to see all the halls that is the maximum values not crossing this threshold, and we can also filter based on the location. Like if we just see Dhaka, and I'm just going to see all the hotels that are located in Dhaka, then Rajshahi, so then Fulna, Rajshahi. Then we are just going to see Pune, Dhaka, Rangpur, Chittagong. So in the availability date, we can just pick the date. So if I just look at this, so I'm just going to select sleeper. So I'm just booking this hall in this allocated date. So I'm just confirming. So after the hall selection, I'm just going to see the food section that for the event, what the foods that I'm just going to serve to my guests. So like for example, I'm just going to select NutriBite. So it will just show me the all the information like what is the cost and what is the type of the weight and what the items are included in this is in this food section. So in this section we also have the weight category, like I'm just going to select heavy food. Like if I just select heavy food, I'm just going to see all the heavy foods. And if the weight category, if I want to select being medium, I'm just going to see all the medium type of food. And then light, in the light section we're just going to see the light foods. And then we can also sort it by the price, like low to high. So I'm just going to see all the foods that are sorted on the based on the weights. Like the German salad is 400, and then in the Indian thali is 950 taka platter. And I can also select the range, like in which range I'm just going to select the food. Like in the weight category, for example, I'm just going to see heavy. So I don't have, so like for example, I'm just going to just range the high and just heavy. So I'm just going to see Bengali thali and I'm just going to the food, select the food. So in the selection, how much quantity I really want. So in it will give me that section, like I want to just confirm Bengali thali 20 quantity. Then the total cost will also show that 15,000 in Taka, and then I'm just going to confirm that. So it is our decoration section, like for that event, what type of decoration that we really want to decor. So like vibrant type, balloon type, or like royal, etc. So for example, if I just search by theme name, royal, so it will show me the royal themes, look royal theme. So what is the color palette, what is the decoration, what is the cost. So in this section we can also filter based on our decoration category, like it is a wedding type or birthday type. So if we just filter by wedding, so it will show all the wedding type of decoration theme. Like then we can just also filter by birthday. So if we just select by birthday, I'm just going to see all the decoration type of birthday. and then we can just default by sort by price. And for example, I'm just going to select wedding, and our price is high to low, and I'm just going to select the royal decoration theme. So after the confirmation of this, so it will just show me the booking summary, that what type of what the hall I selected, what is the food type, and what is the decoration, and what is the total cost. So I have two options. I can just book, and then which pay, and just if I just book, and now we just go to the payment section. So in the payment section, I can just the what is the type of payment method I'm just going to pay. So for example, I'm just going to Nogo, and then I'm just going to give my number, then PIN number, and pay. So it will show me the paid successful message. So in the booking section, if I just go, I'm just going to see all the bookings that I have already made till now. So, and it will show also the status that I have just partial made, or I've just given the full payment. So if I want to just cancel any kind of the booking segment, I can just delete the booking. Now let's go to the rating section. So in the rating section, it allows users to view and share feedback about different halls, schools, and their system. So now let's rate our experience. I am just going to 2 stars and just give a comment and just submit it. And it will be submitted, and the admin panel can check it, and they improve their services based on our feedback. So now just go to the home page and just log out as client, and I'm just going to log in as admin now. Log in as admin and just log in. So it is our admin landing page. So in the as an admin, I can just add hall, I can add food, add decoration, see all the feedbacks of the users and the events and the reviewer. So if we just go to the event section, I can see all the services that the Ushop is giving to the customers or users. And in the hall section, I can see all the halls. In the decoration section, we can see all the decoration, and the food section, we are just going to see all the food items. And if we just go to the hall section, and in the event services section, as an admin, I can just edit any kind of status or hall or etc. For example, for the hotel reason, at present it is no availability, or means it is no unavailable. I can just edit it and make a availability range, and then say all, and then it will show the availability range, and the user section, user can see that the hall is now available. And as admin, I can just delete any kind of food decoration or hall. For example, I want to delete the Japan Thai, and if I just delete it, Japan Thai will be deleted. And if we just go and just search for that food, we will see that it is not available. So now let's go to the home section. So as an admin, we can just add any kind of hall, food and decoration. Let's add a hall. So for example, I'm adding the hall, select location, the capacity of the hall, and the cost, and the range of the availability. And if for any kind of purpose, if the hall is unavailable for manufacturing or etc. reason, we can just mark it as unavailable, and if the status will be is shown as unavailable in the user page. And I'm just choosing the file for the hall image, and the hall will be added. So if we just go to the view event page and see the hall, we can see that the large event has been added, and the availability is no availability set, and the cost has been given. And now if we just go back to our home page, and if we just go to the feedback section, so in the feedback section, we can see all the feedbacks that the user have given to the Ushop page services, and the average rating 3.6 based on the 22 reviews. And now let's go to the home. And in the revenue section, we are just going to see the total overview of the system. So in the decoration overview section, we can just see the total decoration that Bootshop is providing to the users. And the theme section, like we have 5 wedding theme and 1 birthday and seminar. And if we just go to the royal section, we can see that in the royal theme, we have 2 services, and the max cost of the service is 50,000 and minimum cost of the service is 30,000. And if we just go to the food section now, we can just see the total food items that we are just providing to the total platter. And the heavy platter is 3, and medium platter is 2, light platter is 2. And we can also see that in the heavy platter, we have 3 items, and the maximum price is 950 and minimum price is 750. And as well, we can see for the medium and light. And if we just go to the hall overview page, and in the hall dashboard page, we can see total halls and the available halls and the total capacity, and the with host the no ability section. We can see the cost of the Laravian, and then we can just go to the booking page. So in the booking section, we can see the total bookings till now is still been made it, and the booking overview, that how many pending overviews we have, and the partial payment we have, and the total amount that still we have just earned, and the partial payment amount and the remaining amount. And the with food weight category, we can see that in the heavy category, 3 items has been booked till now, and the medium category, 2 items have been booked till now, and the waiting has been 5 to book up. And then we just go for the payment overview, that how much payment has been made till now in the payment overview page. And in the payment method section, the Bkash payment has been made one, means the user has used Bkash to payment, and the Donkult has been payment count is 1. So let's go to the home page and log out as admin. So that's all of our features. Thanks to all.